Hello. So today I was scrolling on Instagram and I've seen this guy before. He kind of does, what do you call it? Like background noise for different videos or movies or like cartoon shows and tries to mimic the noise that happens on the show. And I saw this and I was like, I have some of those things in my house and I feel like I could definitely mimic it. So this is the video that I'm gonna be trying to do. I think the hard part is definitely gonna be the timing. I also don't have a balloon, so I only have this thing. So we'll see how it goes. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like there's something else that I can use. I do have balloons. They're just out of reach right now. So I have to figure out a way to do it without, maybe I'll just get one. Okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay, I got a balloon. I just have to blow it up. He doesn't have it blown up that big. So probably like this big. Okay. And then he does like something like that. Okay. And then I need to get a cup of water. Let me show you this stuff that I have. So I have this to make the little sloshing noise. Oh, I'm trying not to spill. And then I have the balloon, I have the cup that he puts the water in, and then I have the little shaker and the little stretchy band. Okay, let's try and recreate this. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. Somewhat of a better view. Okay, so I'm propping my phone up so I can actually see what's happening. And then I'm gonna practice, essentially. I have my earbuds in so I can hear. Oh my gosh, okay. There's so much going on. I have to do this quick because my phone is dying. And I also need to get ready for dinner. Okay, ready? First try. Okay, 1, 2. I did it! I think I did it. I don't know if it captured it, but I did it the same time as him, so that was fun. This really just goes to show that you can do anything that you put your mind to. I don't know if I will get copyright issues from this, but I just wanted to show and have fun and just see what, you know, if I can do what the guy was doing, because it sounds a lot of fun.